Hey, in this lesson, we're going to be looking at the headline. So this is the one-liner to grab attention. So it shows in your feed, it auto defaults to your most recent position. We saw that in the earlier lesson. So the first word's associated with your profile, and it's designed to capture attention and create curiosity to find out more about you. This is the place where you can showcase your unique talent, demonstrate your passion, and make it memorable. So more information about the headline over here at the LinkedIn help, and their help section does provide all of the answers that you look for. They do have a really robust search area where you can search for information and commonly search for queries within the help. So it tells you what the professional headline is, and it gets displayed within the search results. You can also edit your professional headline to call out to other professional statuses, such as if you're unemployed or retired. So if you update your headline and your current position, your headline and the current position are the same, your current position won't be displayed in your headline. Otherwise, it will within the top section of your profile. And we're going to do an edit of that headline. So the headline, of course, is just showing up right there. To update the headline, you can click the pencil icon, and this allows you to update your first name, your last name. You can also add a pronunciation for your name. You can set a pronoun, set who it's all visible to, and then just below here is your headline, where you can update that and create that attention-grabbing content. And as you can see, there is a limit to the size of the headline. So this is 120 character max. And basically, it's another good place to put some keywords so that others can find you when they're doing a search. So if you are a course instructor like myself, then it is suggested that you leave those specific keywords within your headline. Also think about the context, so avoid any type of negative context, such as stating that you're unemployed. Gives you more of a negative type context, and you don't want that showing up directly beneath your name whenever you're being searched for. So you have to come up with something a little bit more creative. You can also review it with your peers and see which ones stick. So go through different other people within the same industry as you, see what headlines they're using, and see what really resonates with you. So some ideas for keywords. So ideas to generate some keywords is, how would you find someone like you, and what words would you use within the search? So you can use things like the industry keywords, search terms, common job title that would be searched, job title you are seeking, think future and what you want to target, words for skills in your industry. The correct job title will also help LinkedIn algorithm to suggest you to jobs. Keys is the hard skills that you specializations, and goals, skills you've learned or want to develop. You can also use the Google search suggest in order to come out with relevant keywords. And the Google search suggest, so you can do things like course creator, and this will list out some of the common associated words that Google automatically associates with course creator. And sometimes this is useful, and sometimes you're going to come up with different search titles that wouldn't be relevant for your job title. So it is a good tool in some cases, and in others it doesn't work that great. So again, going back to the headline, think about, how do you see yourself? Why do you do what you do? What is your motivator? What do you want others to know about you? What will grab their attention? What would grab your attention? Highlights, think elevator pitch, more than just a job title. It's more personal, and it's about you. So think of some of the answers to these questions as you're constructing your headline, and then go ahead and log into your LinkedIn profile, update your headline accordingly.